हम चैप्टर 7 एक्सपेरिमेंट विद वाटर के क्वेश्चन से रिवाइज करेंगे. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज आयशा पुट a puffed puri a bowl of water. Would it sink or float? Answer: the puri would float. Okay. Question second. You put a steel plate on water. Would it sink or float? What should happen to a spoon? If I put the steel plate carefully on water, it would float. The spoon would sink. Okay. Question third. Would the cap of a plastic bottle sink or float on water? The cap of the plastic bottle would float on water. Have you seen that something float on water while others think how this happened? Yes, I have observed that certain things float on water while others sink. Everything displays water equal to its volume. If the displaced water is more than the weight of a thing, then the thing float, otherwise it sink in water. Okay. Next question. Could you see the salt after it dissolves in water? If no, why? Salt cannot be seen after it dissolves in water. This is because the salt is completely soluble in water. Okay. Next. Does that mean that the water does not have salt? If it has, then where is the salt? No, it does not mean that the water does not have salt. The salt is dissolved in water. What difference did you see in the water with salt and the water with chalk powder after keeping for some time? Salt mixed completely with water while chalk powder settled down at bottom. Okay. Next question. Which of the two would you be able to separate from the water by stirring with the cloth, salt or chalk powder? Answer: we can separate chalk powder from water by stirring with a cloth. Do you think the oil got dissolved in water? Why do you think so? I think that the oil did not dissolve in water. Oil floating on water surface made me to think so. Okay. Next. Where did the water go? The water evaporated and turned into vapor. Why did Chitti Babu and Chennai Babu keep their mango jelly in sun? They kept their mango jelly in sun so that the water from the jelly could evaporate. Next, what thing do you put in water to make tea? Which of these things dissolve in water? For making tea, I put sugar, milk and tea leaves in water. Sugar and milk dissolve in water. Okay, sugar and milk dissolve in water. You have washed your handkerchief and you want to dry it quickly. What all can you do? I will squeeze the water out of the handkerchief. Then I will spread the handkerchief on a cloth lying in the sun. I can also use a hot electric iron to dry the handkerchief. You have been given some mystery pieces. Lumps of sugar. Suggest some ways to dissolve them quickly. Follow these steps to dissolve in mystery pieces quickly. Crush the mystery pieces in the fine powder. Put it in water and stir thoroughly. You can also warm the mixture on a flame. Okay student? Okay student, आज हमने लेसन 7 एक्सपेरिमेंट विद वाटर के क्वेश्चन आंसर की रिवीजन की है. यू ऑल्सो रिवाइज इट. आपको भी रिवाइज करना है. ओके. एंड अपनी नोटबुक कंप्लीट करनी है. डेली जो आपको होमवर्क मिलता है उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको अपनी नोटबुक कंप्लीट करके रखनी है. ओके. एंड यू ऑल्सो रिवाइज इट दिस क्वेश्चन आंसर एंड राइट इन योर नोटबुक. ओके स्टूडेंट. एंड जो चैप्टर हम रीड करवा रहे हैं आपको उन चैप्टर को भी अच्छे से रीड करना है. अगर आप अच्छे से रीड करोगे तभी आप क्वेश्चन अच्छे से फाइंड कर सकते हो, क्योंकि हम चैप्टर के बीच में से भी क्वेश्चन आंसर, फिल इन द ब्लैंक या मैच द फॉलोइंग बना के दे सकते हैं. अगर आप चैप्टर अच्छे से रीड करोगे तो आप उनको बहुत इजीली फाइंड करके कर सकते हो. ओके. नाउ टाइम टू से बाय बाय स्टूडेंट. हैव अ नाइस डे.